In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically number rows in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a list of employees, tracking items, or just want a quick way to keep things organized, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Sheets and go to the spreadsheet where you want to add numbers. Once you're there, look for the first cell where you want your numbering to start. Usually, this is the top of your list in column A. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the first cell and type the formula =row 1. This will give you the number 1 automatically. You can then drag the fill handle down to continue numbering all the rows. This is a quick way to add numbers, and it will update automatically if you insert or delete rows. To make the process even smoother, here's an even better method. Use the sequence function. Type =sequence count tab B111. In this example, column B has all your employee names. This formula counts all the entries in your list and generates a numbered list in one column starting from 1, stepping up by 1 each time. Now, every time you add a new employee, the number will appear automatically without any copy-pasting. Isn't that cool? Once you've added the sequence, you'll notice that your numbering updates instantly as you add or remove rows. After that, you can use this numbered list for sorting, filtering, or just keeping your spreadsheet organized without any extra effort. It's also a good idea to format the column if needed so it looks neat and professional. This keeps everything clean and easy to read. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to automatically number rows in Google Sheets quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, share it with others who might be working with Google Sheets. Why not make someone's day easier?